updates from Nigeria and beyond from NaijaNews TV. In a new development, NFF appoints Éric Chelle as Super Eagles head coach. The Nigerian Football Federation (NFF) has announced the appointment of Éric Chelle as the new head coach of the Super Eagles. This was announced in a statement shared by the football body via its official X page on Tuesday. The statement reads, "The Executive Committee of the Nigerian Football Federation has endorsed the recommendation of its Technical and Development Subcommittee for the appointment of Mr. Éric Chelle as head coach of Nigeria's senior men national football team, Super Eagles, at its meeting held in Abuja on Thursday, 2nd of January 2025. The NFF Technical and Development Subcommittee has recommended the appointment of former coach of the senior men national team of Mali as the new head coach of the Super Eagles. This recommendation was on Tuesday, 7th January, endorsed by the NFF Executive Committee. His appointment is with immediate effect, and he has the responsibility of guiding the Super Eagles to earn a ticket to the 2026 FIFA World Cup finals, with the next round of matches, match days 5 and 6, taking place in March. In other news, Dalong raises alarm, says Tinubu's cabal deadlier than Buhari's. Former Youth and Sport Minister Solomon Dalong claimed that the cabals surrounding President Bola Tinubu are more dangerous than those in the government of his predecessor, Muhammadu Buhari. Dalong made the claim during an appearance on Channels Television's Politics Today program on Tuesday. Dalong, who was a minister during Buhari's administration, said Buhari was a stranger in his government as members of the cabal took over his administration. The minister explained that the cabals in Buhari's government were not too educated, but those in Tinubu's are sophisticated, ambitious, educated, with sound knowledge of power dynamics. Dalong cited the capacity of members of the cabals around Tinubu to manipulate power, build barricades around the president, and stifle information and human traffic from the president. From the world of sport, Anthony Joshua won Tyson Fury in 2025. Nigerian-born boxer ready for British throwdown. Nigerian-born Anthony Joshua has now declared his full intention to fight rival Tyson Fury in 2025. Anthony Joshua, the former heavyweight champion, seemed prepared to face Tyson Fury in the ring. This year offers the ideal setting for the eagerly anticipated bout that boxing fans have been waiting for. Tyson Fury recently said on Instagram that he's prepared to take on a number of heavyweight challengers, including a British professional boxer of Nigerian descent, Anthony Joshua. Given both Tyson Fury and Anthony Joshua must make important decisions regarding their boxing careers, and all British bout is finally anticipated in 2025. Joshua acknowledged the importance of the fight and publicly asked for it in a recent interview. Lastly, El-Rufai Al-Mustafa, Atiku's ally, attends strategic meeting with SDP officials. A closed-door meeting involving several prominent opposition figures and officials of the Social Democratic Party (SDP) took place on Tuesday at the party's national secretariat in Abuja. Among those in attendance were former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai, former Chief Security Officer to late General Sani Abacha, Major Hamzat Al-Mustafa, and a former spokesperson for Atiku Abubakar, Segun Showunmi. While the agenda of the meeting remains undisclosed, Showunmi confirmed the gathering in a Facebook post. "You must set forth at dawn." A strategic meeting was called by His Excellency Shehu Gamban, Chairman of SDP, with His Excellency Nasir El-Rufai, Major Hamzat Al-Mustafa, and Otunba Segun Showunmi. The alternative to meet, greet, and review the state of opposition democratic engagement in Nigeria, he wrote. Rumors suggested that the former Kaduna governor had defected from the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) to the opposition People's Democratic Party (PDP. El-Rufai dismissed these claims on his verified X account, describing them as patent lies. We will continue to monitor all the stories for more updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more political and sports news stories.